Okay, let's go.
Hello vlog! Welcome to our guys! So we're back and meron na nga tayong pa-voice over. So eto na yung part 3. Dahil naka-CapCut Pro na si Charm, eto na, nag-edit na tayo ng video. Eto na yung kadugtong ng part 2 kasi nga part 3. First time ko mag-voice over, so bear with me. Medyo nahihiya pa si Ati. After namin mag-check-in, we went to the ski area wherein we rented this ledge for 30 gel. So nag-slide-slide lang kami saglit dyan with Ricky and Charles while the others are resting. Kasi nga sobrang pagod din ng biyahe talaga. We had our accommodation here at New Godauri wherein it's ski in and ski out. Paglabas mo may snow na. You don't have to walk too far para makapag-ski. So we ended our day here. Nag-slide-slide lang kami dyan and then dinner nung gabi. Pero wala na kaming video. So going to the next day na tayo. So here's our first day of tour. We have booked our tours and transportation with Gigi. But hindi siya available that day. So nirefer niya kami kay Levani. Hi Levani! Our first stop was Kazbegi. So from our spaceship, we transferred to a 4x4 car kasi aakyat kami dito ng bundok. We went to Gergeti Trinity Church. It's an old Georgian church. Located siya sa tuktok ng bundok. Good thing na maganda yung weather that day. We were able to pass through the road going up there because very slippery pala siya. We were told na if the road is not good, if the weather is not good, then we cannot go to this tour. So, good thing na maganda yung weather. Kasi ang ganda nitong place na to, ang lakas mga GOT vibes. However, going up to the church, medyo nag-struggle kami dito kasi sobrang slippery niya. Thankfully, nakatawid naman kami lahat dito ng safe. Pero may isa sa amin na dula si Mami Kim. Sorry, Mami Kim. We're standing in around 2,000 feet above. So, sobrang lamig niya as in OA! Pero ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng view. Nakaka-relax. As in, sobrang peaceful niya. So, sobrang ganda niya. May isip mo na lang na wag na muna tayo umuwi. Wag muna tayo umuwi. Dito muna. So, bini pa nga. So, ito na yung church, Gergeti Church nila. This is an Orthodox Catholic church. Nung pumasok kami dito, we tried to remove our hoods. But sabi ng bantay, ibalik daw. So, I think for the girls, the hair should be covered. While for the boys, they should remove their caps naman. They also have candles here that you can light and say your prayers. So, this church is very old na talaga. Then, yung vibes dito is like very holy. So, ayan, kita mo yan, hindi yan bear, si Sky yan. Ang cute, no? Aside sa historical church nila, dito sa area na to, sobrang breathtaking talaga. Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung mga cucumbers dyan kasi baka may constructions. Pero yun nga, hindi namin napalipad yung drone dun sa area, sa kabilang area since sobrang lakas ng hangin. Hindi kaya ng drone. Say hi, Pamilya Payabang! After namin dito, bumaba na ulit kami gamit yung 4x4 cars and then mag-transfer kami ulit dun sa spaceship namin to continue the tour. Then, next stop namin is the Panorama Godauri or the Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument. Say hi to Ate Mitch, and yung karga-karga niya, hindi din yun bear, si Rap-Rap ata to or si Gab-Gab. This is the Russian-Georgian Friendship Monument. Ang daming sinabi si Levani about the history of this place. Pero yung isa lang pala, naalala ko na panggit niya, na dun sa drawing, yun yung king nila. Yung may hawak na bata, yan yung king nila. Yun lang. Pero I think this place is very historical for them. Yung ibang history, Google na lang, no? During that time, meron pang snowfall. So, nakita niyo yung mga snow dyan. It's falling. See? kaway-kaway ulit, Pamilya Payabang, let's go! And then, nakabalik kami sa New Godauri Ski Resort around 4 p.m. Pagdating namin dito, naghiwa-hiwalay kami since we have different activities. Nag-paragliding sila Mike and Charm, then nag-ski naman sila Charles, Ivan, and Ricky. Then nagpahinga ata saglit sila Sir James, Mami Kim, and then sila Vege at Joseph. I think they changed clothes for Sky. So first time ni Charles and Ivan mag-ski. So dito lang sila sa area na to where they can practice as a beginner. They did not go up or went using gondola since those are for pros. While si Ricky, this is not her first time, so panlaban namin to sa ski. Okay, hanggang dito na lang muna. Part 4, abangan nyo. Watch nyo na din yung part 1 and part 2. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Pamilya Payabang here.